Hey, what's going on, guys? It's a late night video, but I want to give you an update on the latest with crypto. I've had a crazy day in my personal life, so that did delay things quite a bit, but I'm happy to go ahead and get this video out for you guys right now. So taking a look at the general crypto market, we can see that Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, these cryptos are up slightly in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin hanging above $26,000, Ethereum just below 1,600, BNB is still above $210, hanging in there. We do see some hits on some other crypto, but very minimally, such as Dogecoin, it's down 0.05%. Solana is down 0.28%. Ton taking a bit of a more of a hit. It's down 2.62%. Then we can see some deeper red, such as, let's go ahead and zoom in here if it'll let me. FTT is down 6.96%. We can also see the XRD is down 8.43%. And we'll try to get one more in here. RLB is down 5.59%. As far as for more significant gains on the day, this token called FXS is up 6.12%. FXS. It's like a tongue twister to say that one. Moving over to the Bitcoin trading charts, we can see that the divergence is taking a wider gap as that 200 moving average, the yellow line, continues to slant up. In fact, it's starting to slant up even more, unfortunately, and the 50 moving average is taking a further dip down. Volume itself for yesterday, a little bit more than what we saw on Sunday, but nothing super out of the norm. We're waiting to see some extra volatility really kick up, such as back on September 12th or August 29th, August 17th, such as during those time periods. Moving over to Ethereum, we can also see that divergence widening even more, that 50 moving average on the green line really dropping down low there. We feel like we've been in this consolidated space for quite a while now, but we've had several days of closure down below this key level of support, so that's not a good sign either. Unfortunately, I'm just being real with you guys. So I do have concerns about this dropping below even 1,600, heading towards the $1,500 range. Back on September 11th, we did see a dip down to right around $1,528, so it's not out of the realm of questioning to think that this could end up dropping down even more. And I had somebody point out to me in a previous video, I don't know if you're watching right now, they said that I'm not supposed to say in regard, I should be saying with regard, and I just kind of spaced out a little bit. So I don't know if I said with regard earlier in this video, but if you are watching this video, my good sir, I am self-conscious about that now, to the best of my abilities. Okay, moving on. BNB, we can see that this is moving sideways still, unfortunately. So top line, 200 moving average at $269.70. Green line at $219.30. And we really want to see these converge over together. The good news with this one is that with BNB, it has been in this death cross formation ever since back on June 16th. So it's got quite a bit of an extensive amount of time. We want to see this cross over, the price start to climb back up, and really take off. So I'm more optimistic on that one. Then we have SafeMoon over on the Binance Smart Chain. This is up 1.85% in the last 24 hours. $11,000 in buy volume, $5,800 in sell volume. SafeMoon on the Ethereum side, up 0.75%, $2,300 in buy volume versus $2,300 in sell volume. Very flatlined out in that regard. SafeMoon on the Polygon side, up 0.99%, $1,000 in buy volume, $4,300 in sell volume. Then Blockbuster Tech, we can see that one, no percentage change really. Very minimal in the volume. We got $117 in buy volume, $751 in sell volume. And talking about drip, I did give everyone a heads up on this. This is expected. Yes, if you look at the previous history, seeing it go down day over day, it's not that much of a surprise. We did have a 4-day run up. The drawback right now is that with the major changes of the drip faucet, there's no real big incentive to wanting to buy drip unless you just think that it's a good discounted price. And yeah, many different cryptocurrencies have that. But a lot of people are looking at the utilities and how things are changing. The flaw in drip system right now is that there is hyperinflation occurring. And so because of that, people still have an incentive to go ahead to claim, and some people wanting to sell that, whether it be for gas fees or just trying to make what money that they can off of it. Could be a whole different slew of reasons. So we're still seeing this going down. I do not expect this pattern to change, honestly, unless there is some new utility announced or until they have finished with the faucet change. And it's estimated that we could be looking at 2 weeks, maybe more, for the faucet change. Hopefully, the sooner the better. Buy volume, $1,500 on the pancake swap side, $5,400 on the sell side, down 3.49%. This is actually quite nice. I know it may not look nice, but it's quite nice to see $1,500 compared to the $5,400, because during a lot of these market cycles right here, this market cycle, I should say, we were seeing basically no volume whatsoever. So having over $1,000, I'm actually pleasantly surprised to see that. That's what I got for you guys in this video. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope everyone is being safe. I do have a Telegram group. I would love it if you guys come in, join over there, be a part of the community in that space. You can find the link to that in the description down below. I will not include that in the comments. If you see anything in the comments, avoid those. I will have my official link in the description. That way then you can verify that it's real. That's Team Crypto Atlas on Telegram. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.